Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Simple Glow Facial Wash. First, let's prepare your skin for a refreshing cleanse. It's essential to start with clean hands to avoid transferring any impurities to your face. Next, gently splash your face with lukewarm water. This helps to open up your pores slightly, making the wash more effective. Finally, pull back any hair to ensure full access to your face. Now that your skin is ready, it's time to apply the facial wash. Take just a small, pea-sized amount of Simple Glow Facial Wash onto your fingertips. This is usually about 1/2 to 1 milliliter of product. Gently massage it onto your damp face using upward, circular motions. Spend about 30 seconds ensuring you cover all areas, especially your T-zone, to effectively cleanse your skin. After a thorough cleanse, the next crucial step is rinsing. Use cool or lukewarm water to completely wash away the facial wash. Make sure to rinse until your skin feels completely clean and free of any product residue, paying extra attention to your hairline and jawline. Then, gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing, as this can irritate your skin. A gentle pat is all you need. To complete your skincare routine, follow up with a toner to help balance your skin's pH levels. After toning, apply a lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. For optimal results and a consistently glowing complexion, we recommend using Simple Glow Facial Wash twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening. Enjoy your fresh, clean skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.